husband at 60 years old. Quiet love between two souls, with private sorrow in time she let him go. They'd meet again down Glory Road. And her infectious smile, she taught us how to live, showed us how to love till day is done. The strength of our head made everything feel right. The strength of our head made everything feel right. The strength of our head. It's God's heritage, that's true. The strength of our head. It's there for me and you. The strength of our head. I'd watch her garden from my high school science room. I would. Wondered where her strength came from. She'd toil for hours while I'd watch the flowers bloom. Amazed at all that she'd get done. With each passing day, she showed me how to live, taught me how to love till day is done. The strength of our head came shining through so bright. The strength of our head made everything feel right. The strength of our head. It's God's heritage, that's true. The strength of our head. It's there for me and you. The strength of our head. Mom thought it strange she didn't call that day. Felt uneasy as she drove. She found her resting in her favorite reading chair,